Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we can remove the password from our Windows 11 user account. A password is just one of the sign-in options that Windows 11 offers, so maybe you want to let someone else use your account, or for whatever reason, we're going to show you how to remove the password. Stay with us till the end, and we'll also show you an easier way to do this, guys. So, first go to the Start button and right-click, and then left-click on Settings. We're gonna maximize the windows, guys, and here we're looking for Accounts on the left click, and in here, guys, we're looking for Sign-in options. Left click once, and in here, guys, immediately we can see the password option. Left click once to expand, and it says here you're all set up, which means we do have a password, and left click on change here, guys, to change the password options, and it will open this window that asks for our current password. If you don't know the current password, unfortunately you can't remove it, guys. When you're ready, left click on next, and then on this window just leave the fields blank, don't enter anything, and press next. And that's it, guys. Left click on finish. Another way to do this, guys, is by pressing the Ctrl Alt Delete keys on your keyboard simultaneously, and this will bring up the security options. Left click on change a password, and on this new window leave your username, so don't edit, don't enter anything there, just leave it as it is. And under old password, enter your current account password. And after that, guys, in the new password field and the others, don't enter anything, just leave them blank, and that will result in removing the password. When you're ready, press enter on your keyboard, and that's it, guys. As you can see, our password has been changed. Left click once and OK, and now we don't have a password anymore on our account. That's it, guys. These are two ways to change the password on Windows 11. If you're logged in with a Microsoft account on Windows, you can't remove the password, unfortunately. The only way to go around this is to sign in with a local account. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.